everybody and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the teaser video for Krisala Hiranandani Arcadia, which is located at Darumbre, Hinjewadi, Pune. Developed by Krisala Hiranandani Group. As you can see, I am standing right outside the sales office of the project. And this is the road that connects to the project. This road comes from Kasarsai Dam and it goes directly towards Hinjewadi. In today's video, we will talk about the project overview, location, amenities, carpet areas, booking process, launch discounts and everything else that you need to know about the project. But before that, let me tell you something about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform where you are connected directly with the developer, thereby giving you the best pricing and also genuine information. Unlike other portals where your number is shared with brokers and you get multiple calls, at Housey we connect you directly with the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today with Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This sector will be created in a 3.5 acre land parcel which will have 3 towers, which will have 26 floors of residential homes, which will be a variant of 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. Now let's talk about the location. As I told you that the project is located at Darumbre, Hinjewadi on Ghatol Road. And now that we're anyway standing right outside the sales office, let me tell you about the connectivity. From this project, Vasundhara Hospital is just about 1.2 kilometers and Chandkhed is just about 2.8 kilometers and the beautiful Kasarsai Dam is just about 3 kilometers. Now, let me tell you about the amenities. The amenities are going to include the township amenities, which are more than 50, which include a racing track, also a horse park, a pet park, and swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area and many more. Now let's talk about the carpet areas. The 2 BHK will have different variants ranging from 754 to 827 square feet and the 3 BHKs will be 1075 to 1164 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking window is open and you can come to the sales office. Once you are here, our salesperson will explain you about the complete project, will tell you about the brochure, the 3D model, also show you the sample flat if it is ready, and then if you like the project, then you can go ahead with the booking. So everybody, this was the teaser for the Krisala Hiranandani Arcadia project, which is located at Darumbre, Hinjewadi, constructed by Krisala Hiranandani Group. For any more details, do not forget to click on the link below and do comment and share this video. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.